Unique brushless motor design features low power consumption, small size, and strong suction, 1800 pascals, to ensure a thorough cleaning of your home. Double HEPA filtration system effectively blocks particles and prevents secondary pollution. 500 ml dustbin holds more dust per cleaning. The M201 can run for 100 minutes per charge, or approximately 1100 SQFT. The robot vacuum can return to the charging base when the battery is low. Built-in anti-collision sensors help the robot avoid hitting and scratching your furniture and walls. Anti-dropping sensors mounted on the bottom of the robot prevent falling down stairs and off ledges. You can select the cleaning mode, check the status of the cleaning activity in real time, and schedule the cleaning in advance, etc. from the Leaf & Life app, available for both iOS and Android systems. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.